Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to tell you about the free fashion designing online course which we have launched lately. Please register yourself to the course. You will get the form in the description box below. If you're watching my video for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get further notifications, so you don't miss any of my videos and can watch all the videos as soon as I release it. Now I'm telling you what will you achieve after you join my course. You will have the basic knowledge of fashion designing and you can start a career in fashion designing. You can also open a boutique and work as a fashion designer independently. You are creative and you are a perfect fit for a fashion designer. We will only guide you with our knowledge and experience of 8.5 years in this industry. Our motto is to help you learn. This course is for those who want to develop the skill and not for the degree. Age is just a number in this course. So, if you are of 14 years or 18 years or you are of 65 years, you can happily join our course and learn about fashion designing. If you consider yourself to be creative and have a keen interest in fashion, then this course is for you, my friend. Please enroll yourself into the course and see you in the course. Until then, goodbye.